Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to start the AZ-900, that is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. So if you are someone looking to learn the Azure cloud from the scratch, even you don't have any idea like what is cloud and what is Azure, then this video will be perfect for you, because in this video I am going to teach you every small concepts of the cloud and Azure from basics. I will start from the basics and I will touch every topic, and I will go in the deep. Okay, so like you don't miss anything, and if you don't have any much idea, then I will recommend you to go with this certification, which is AZ-900. This is the official Microsoft certification. Once you did the certification, that means like you have some basic knowledge of the Azure, so that when you are going for the interview and all, like you can tell the interviewer, yes, I have cleared this certification. So they will know, because this is the official certification that is valid worldwide. Okay, so the main idea here is I am going to teach you Azure from the basics. Okay, so if you don't have any idea on this topic till yet, then definitely like you are going to learn something when you complete this complete playlist. Okay, but in this video, what is the main agenda? Let me show you. In this video, we will discuss only the agenda part, and the exam structure and the certificate structure, all these. Okay, so yeah, before starting the agenda, one more update. In my last video, I have created the Azure free account. So you can check out that video, like how we can create a Azure free account, so that if we are going to create any services on the Azure, we don't have to pay anything. Okay, it's totally free for the first month. So you can check out that video. I will add the link in the description. Okay, so let's come back to the agenda. So for in this video, the main agenda for us to cover these three modules. The first module is to describe cloud concept. It will cover around 25 to 30% in the exam, and this cloud concept, this module particularly cover only the cloud concepts, like what is cloud, and what are the things that we get in the cloud, what is the benefits of the cloud. So basically, like whatever uh, we have understanding of the clouds, that is covered under this module. Once we have the understanding of the cloud, then we can move to the second module, that is Azure. So in the second module, we will discuss about what is Azure and what is the Azure architecture and all the basic things, like what is geography, region, data centers, all these stuffs we will learn. Then we will see what are some we will see some basic services, like app service, key vault. Okay, like to deploy the API UI and to store the keys and all, and the other services like database services we will see. Okay, so all the basic Azure architecture and services we are going to learn in the second module. Okay, then in the third module, we are going to learn how we can manage the services and the resources on the Azure, and what is the cost management, how we can secure the application. Okay, so in this module, we are going to learn this topic, and the name is describe Azure management and governance. Okay, so here I have written down this percentage. Okay, like how much you will get the questions, like based on this percentage from each module. Okay, so these are the main three modules that we are going to learn in upcoming videos. But and the other things that we are going to learn, which is Azure portal demo. I will give you the demo of the Azure portal, like how Azure portal looks like, and how we can navigate through multiple pages in the Azure portal. Okay, and we will see some services and architecture of the Azure using the Azure portal. Okay, then in the end, when we complete this whole course, then in the end we will see some questions that like you will get idea like how you will get the questions in the certification. Okay, so these are the main agenda that we are going to cover in all the videos. Like it will be around 7 or 8 videos in this playlist. You can check out this whole playlist. Okay, let's move to next. Okay, so let's discuss each module in detail. Okay, so in the first module, which is describe cloud concept, like you will get around 25 to 30% in the exam, and it cover mainly three things: identify the benefits and consideration of the using cloud services. So first of all, like we definitely, like we are going to understand what is cloud, then the benefit of the cloud concept, like high availability, scalability, elasticity, agility. Okay, all these are the benefits of the cloud. Then we will see the difference between the categories of the cloud services, like what is this infrastructure as a service, and the platform as a service, software as a service. Okay, ISPS, SaaS. Okay, all these things we are going to learn. Then we will see what are the different types of the cloud computing, public, private, and hybrid. Okay, all and these are the topics that we are going to learn in upcoming videos. Then let's move to the next module, that is describe Azure architecture and services. In this particular module, like we are going to discuss many things. Okay, and the first, describe the core architecture component of the Azure. In this one, we will understand how you can what is the structure of the resources that you are going to create. First of all, like we will understand the reason availability zone, resource group, subscription management group, ARM template. Okay, all these topics like we are going to learn in upcoming videos. Okay, but this is definitely the important topic for your exam. Okay, so you can note it down all these topics, so that you will not forget like what are the topics that you are going to cover. Even I will add this PDF in the description. Okay, so you can download this whole complete PDF of this course, and if you don't have the time to go through all the videos, then you can just read this particular PDF. Okay, this PDF I have created by myself. Okay, so I try to put every definition and example in the simplest way possible, so that it will help you to create some understanding. Okay, like I am telling you again, this course is just for the beginners. Okay, like I just put the details just for the beginners perspective. Okay, like if you know already some things about Azure, then maybe you can skip this course, but you can go through this course if you only desire to complete the certification. Okay, but my goal is to give you some knowledge, and based on that knowledge you can fit anywhere in the project, or you can also complete the certification. Okay, that is my goal. Yeah. So the next topic that we are going to cover, describe core Azure services and the product. So in this particular sections, like we will discuss all the Azure services, basic services, not the all the services. Okay, like few services that we can see, like Azure App Service, container, what is Azure Functions. Then we will see Azure Storage Account. Then we will see Azure databases like Azure SQL, Cosmos DB. Then we will talk about some networking part, like what is peering, VPN and express route. Then we will see virtual machine, compute gallery, and Azure container instance. All these topic, these are all the Azure services. Then there is another section in the second module, which is Azure identity, access, and security. So in this one, we will see like what are the total uh, access methods, like authentication and authorized method. Okay, Azure Active Directory, MFA, single sign-on. All these topics we are going to cover, and we will see what is tag and policies, logs. Okay. Then let's move to the third module. Yeah, this is the third module. Describe Azure management and governance. So in this particular module, I have divided this into multiple sections. Cost management. We are going to learn the cost management, like how we can manage our cost, and uh, when we are going to purchase some resources or services from the Azure, like how what will be the best choice for you, and that choice you can also calculate through the multiple calculators. Okay, the TSO calculator, and we have the Azure pricing calculator. Okay, so that we are going to see in upcoming videos when we are going to cover the module 3. Then we have this describe features and tool for managing deploying Azure resources. So these are the some tools, and like how when we created the Azure resources, like how we can manage all these things. Okay, we have multiple options that we will see. Then we will see what are the monitoring tool we have in Azure. Like once we created our services, like we have to monitor those resources for like whether they are working fine or not, whether someone is trying to attack on that our application or not. Okay, so all these things like you can monitor through monitoring services that we are going to see in the third module. Like there are other sections which is Azure management and government solution. I think this is also almost same. Okay, and we will see like what is this privacy and compliance resources. There like we will see some topics like Microsoft Trust Center, Azure Compliance Manager, and data protections, and this GDPR. Okay, all these topics not very important, yeah, but sometimes like you will see one or two questions in the exam on these topics. Okay, so we don't have to go in depth for these topics. We can just explore like what are these actually, and what they do. So these are all are the modules. Then other than these modules, we will also see some other topics like what is Azure IoT services. Okay, IoT you already I think aware of, Internet of Things. Okay, so Azure also provides some services that can work with the IoT devices that we are going to see. And then we have Azure AI services. For the AI services, Azure already have another certification which is AI 900. So you can check out that particular course I have created on my channel. Okay, you can check out that. But yeah, in the AZ-900, in the fundamental Azure fundamental, they expect you to have some basic understanding of the AI services that we are going to see. Okay, like only two or three main services we will see in this particular course. Okay, because AI is not a main topic in this particular certification. Okay, so for the AI, definitely like you can check out the other certification that Azure have. Okay, then we will see the Power BI, but that is even not big. So these are all the topics. Okay, module total three modules and these other topics. Okay, let's see like exam overview. Okay, first of all, how you can go to that exam. Like first of all, like you can go to the portal, and like you can directly search AZ 900. There like you will get the web page for the Agent 900. There you can check out all the details. You can check all the topics, and you can learn from there as well. And you can practice some questions that we are going to see, like how you can practice the questions on that particular portal. And I will show you that portal in upcoming videos. Okay, I will give you a whole demo of that particular portal. Okay, because there itself like you have to schedule the exam and all. Okay, but for just an overview, exam will be your 1 hour. Okay, and you will get around 40 to 60 questions. And questions can be multiple choice questions, single type questions, drag and drop questions. Okay, so these you can get any type of questions. Okay, but yeah, definitely filling the blanks will not be there. Okay, like they will give you at least choices. Okay, and from all the choices you have to select maybe single or multiple answers. Okay, so that's the exam pattern. And what we discuss about the passing scores. Then this is the tricky part, because overall the exam will be of 1,000 marks, and for the passing you have to score more than 700. Okay, if you get also 700, then you will get passed. Okay, but you have to score more than 700. Okay, so like that is a tricky part, because it might be possible that you will get around 690, then you will fail. Okay, and once you fail the exam, your like money, you will lose the money. You have to schedule the exam again. Who should take the exam? Like if you are a beginner in the cloud or Azure. Okay, as I already told you. Okay, And if you are non-technical, and if you want to just like if you are a manager, okay, and if you want to learn the Azure, just basic things, so that you can work with the tech team, so this certification will be perfect for you. Okay. Yeah, so I think, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will start the chapter 1, and we will understand what is cloud and what are the benefits of the cloud. So please like and subscribe this channel if you learn anything from this video. Okay, thanks guys.